Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Government channel. So this is second video for your ESIC double SO recruitment 2022. I hope you check out the notification. Also our first video, okay, in that I will discuss what was the previous year cutoff and what could be the expected cutoff for the year 2022. Okay. Now in this video I will discuss expected exam date. Okay. How much time you will get between pre and mains, between mains and computer skill, between your pre to joining. Okay, and about sectional cutoff. So definitely lots of queries or after first video I receive about sectional cutoff. Okay, definitely I will tell you whether there is sectional cutoff or not in this video. So let's start our video. So first let me discuss the process, okay, and the dates of individual process. So first we will start with our pre-exam, right? So now you can expect your date of pre-exam in the month of May, and when you can expect, so between second week, okay, because this is your April, then this is first week of May, second week of May. So 8 to 14, okay, let me write this, 8 to 14th what May, okay. You can expect your pre in 8 to 14 May. Then after your pre-exam you have your mains exam in June, and on in which month? So in June you can expect the date between 5 to 11. Let me write it again for you, 5 to 11, okay, June. Then after mains your computer skill test is there, which will they will held in July. Now they can schedule your computer skill test on 3rd July or 10th July. Okay, why? On because this is Sunday, and obviously for computer skills mostly they will call you for Delhi. Okay, mostly. So definitely you need to travel because obviously there are not much center for computer skill. Okay, so that's why the reason is this, that they conduct this test on Sunday only. So you can expect either on 3rd or 10th. Okay, so I will write here computer skill test for you, that is 3rd July or 10th July. Okay, or you can expect between 3rd to 10, anywhere. If they have, obviously it's up to them, so anywhere between 3 to 10. Okay, they can schedule your, but most probably the chances are they will schedule on Sunday, right? Now from this schedule you will get clear idea that how much time you are getting for preparation. Okay, to prepare for pre, now see our strategy video will start from here. To prepare for pre-exam we have approximately 60 days in your hand. Okay, March 18 days are there, and then full April you have, and also for of May we have first week also. Okay, so approximately 60 days you have in your hand for pre-exam. Then after pre you can see for mains exam. Okay, to prepare for mains exam how much days you have? So approximately 60 and 5 means 20 to 25 days you will get, I am assuming. Okay, 20 to 25 days. And then obviously for computer skills, see, it is not much big deal. Okay, obviously this much gap is enough for you. Hardly 15 days are enough for you to practice of computer skills, that is your Microsoft Word, your Excel, your PowerPoint. Okay, and lots of things are there, definitely I will mention in our computer skill video, no need to worry about that. But in that particular time you can do that. Okay, the main challenge is our mains exam. Now listen carefully if you are serious to join SSO, okay, in ESIC. So see, now our merit will get decided based on what? Your mains exam. Okay, now how you will strategize. So just remember this. See what we will do. Okay, fall full March. Just listen carefully. For full March month, what you will study? Quant, reasoning, English, and general awareness. Okay, and obviously this contains financial awareness also. Okay, no doubt in that. So March, okay, and till your 2nd April. Till 2nd April, you can continue with this. Okay, on 2nd April, you will stop GA section. You will stop GA section. I am telling to those who are preparing for first time. Okay, this strategy is for those. So on 2nd April you will stop GA section till your pre-exam, and definitely after pre-exam obviously you will start again quant, reasoning and English, and general awareness. Okay, for your mains exam. Now for droppers, those who are preparing since from 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, definitely strategy will be different for you. What guys you guys will do? Full March month, full April month, you will do quant, reasoning, English, and general awareness. Okay, that is full March, full April. You will start preparation of mains exam. Okay, obviously those who are giving first time, your quant, reasoning, and English should be as per mains exam only. Okay, so prepare like that. Don't prepare for pre-exam directly hit mains exam for quant reasoning English. So automatically you will get qualified in pre, and then obviously in mains you can score more marks. Okay, because ultimate target is our merit list. Just remember this, right? So those who are dropper, 1-2 year gap, you will full March, full April, you can do this, and in first week of May, just drop GA and start with quant, reasoning, and English. That's it. Full first week, okay, and definitely after that you will get to at to 14 May. Your exam will be there. So yes, okay. After exam again, you can continue with GA, quant, reasoning, and English. So this is the smart strategy for you guys to prepare for SSO. Okay, and definitely it will boost your productivity. It will give you direction to prepare, and definitely pre obviously it is qualifying. Okay, so no need to worry here. Definitely competition will be high this time also, unlike last time, but not much more that, because see last time the vacancy was 590 something. Okay, and this time only 93 vacancy. So definitely all people will apply, but not, I don't think most more people will apply. Okay, so this strategy is most important to you, and definitely how you can prepare and everything I will discuss in individual subject strategy. Okay, which I hope I will upload obviously today night, because already it is 11. So tomorrow sure shot you will get all the individual subject video. So till then connect to the channel. Okay, now the next question about sectional cutoff. So in hurry, because I want to give all the videos today only, that was my target actually. So I missed one point, that yes, your sectional cutoff will be there. Okay, thanks to those students or Apna students, those message me and just rectify my mistake. So yes, section cutoff is there, guys, right? Sectional cutoff is there for pre also and mains also. Okay, so what was the last time or last cutoff of sectional cutoff of subject wise, I will discuss in individual subject video. Just remember this. Okay, so till then just join our Telegram channel compulsory to get all the updates, and if you have any query, any doubt, definitely you can DM me on Telegram, you can DM me on Instagram. Also our application is there, so on application also you can message me. So sectional cutoff is there, and I hope that now you know how much time you will get to study. Okay, of pre mains and computer science, computer skills, and how you can start study. Okay, all those things you know. So just follow this strategy. Okay, this is very important thing to follow. Okay, if you want to crack SSO exam 2022. So yeah, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, just keep preparation and definitely wait for our individual strategy video. All the best.